Tired of playing games, I let her go, I let her go. She's gone, I might not ever see her again. I know. Tired of playing games, I let her go, I let her go. She's gone, I might not ever see her again. I know.
Yeah, it's deeper than you ever thought. Time turns to past memories, and all my thoughts I try to hold on. Moments I won't forget, never argue. My time is my time, your time is your time. We all got our own time. We all in a situation. You don't wanna do life with no visitation. You can be single, it's not complicated. I can see through your lies through conversation. Whoever you be with is not my information. Look, jealousy is out of pocket. It's not my concern, you can change the topic. Whatever you do in the dark, it comes to light. We all different, it's like we gotta sacrifice. No love, no pleasure, like a waste of life. Star of Austin.
Tired of playing games, I let her go, I let her go. She's gone, I might not ever see her again. I know. Tired of playing games, I let her go, I let her go. She's gone, I might not ever see her again. I know.
Don't chase love, Michael said, let it find you. Slide on the yacht, take a picture to remind you. Sparkle in her eye, yeah, she's down for what I do. I know it's been a while, browsing's how I found you, yeah. She's looking like my high school sweetheart. She put her hand on my chest and felt my heartbeat. Planking on your girlfriend, she said don't cheat. Reality check, this is not a game. We can be the flame, deeper than fortune and fame, deeper than sex.
She's in my face like Versace shades.
Yeah, we all can't bubble. I bet she wouldn't holler if I only had $1. She wants to turn a penny to $1 million. She wants to slide on a pole. She wants me to stay. She wants me to go. Wherever I go, birds up, I'm gone. Star of Austin.
Tired of playing games, I let her go, I let her go. She's gone, I might not ever see her again. I know. Tired of playing games, I let her go, I let her go. She's gone, I might not ever see